First and foremost, dotFIT is a research and development company that delivers holistic, evidence-based programming, products, and support to over 1,000 sports, fitness, and health facilities, and to over 40,000 sport and fitness professionals. Our sport, fitness, and health professionals support millions of consumers around the world. Therefore, everything, including recommended supplements, must meet strict scientific criteria and legal committee rules, including third-party testing procedures. This is the difference professionals need to make sure their clients only receive personalized, safe, and effective products, and why we don't sell into the mass market consumer channels. The dietary supplements are manufactured as practitioner products and delivered through professional recommendations integrated into nutrition and exercise programs. Guaranteeing safe and effective products requires processes that no other company performs because they don't have to. dotFIT, on the other hand, because we have practitioner product status, before we can deliver or recommend a product, we must prove to the scientific and legal communities the following. 1, efficacy, meaning the products will work as claimed. Therefore, we must match the ingredients, their forms and amounts, and dosing instructions with those shown to be effective in clinical trials using third-party studies. Thus, if we make it, it works. 2nd, safety, meaning the products are safe as recommended. There are really 2 parts to this. 1, the ingredients themselves must have a history of safety as well as been shown safe in clinical trials. 2, must be synergistic with diet and other products to assure no nutrient overages or adverse events when using drugs or other supplements. This is accomplished by medical screening and using only supplements that work together to assure amounts of all ingredients remain in the safe, optimal range when taken together. Therefore, following instruction guarantees the safe and ideal intake. 3rd, purity and potency. Purity, defined as free of contaminants or impurities such as lead or other potentially toxic, illegal, or banned substances, which is most important to our drug-tested athletes and professional athletes we work with. Potency, meaning the ingredient amounts are exactly as published on the label. To do this, first, the products are manufactured and tested in tightly regulated pharmaceutical and NSF certified facilities, meaning they follow very strict good manufacturing practices and audited frequently by regulatory third-party officialdoms. Second, there are comprehensive multiple tests starting with the raw materials and continuing all the way to the completed product, plus including use of third-party or independent lab testing facilities, including NSF certification for sport, to validate the purity and potency. So what's on the label is tested to match what's in the container. 4th, accurate nutrient delivery, meaning the ingredients hit their targets. Depending on the delivery goal, with proper use and dosing of tablets, capsules, or powder preparations, including cofactors, which are added ingredients that can alter release times, we can control the speed of ingredient absorption, because sometimes you want delivery as fast as possible, while other times over longer periods for ideal tissue saturation. Also, different forms of the same nutrient can hit different targets. Therefore, identifying the right form can get more as needed to the proper tissues. Thus, the right nutrients and amounts arrive at the right places at the right times. 5th and final, truth in labeling and full disclosure, meaning legal, accurate product claims and listing of any subpopulation's potential precautions. Once we prove the contents match the positive clinical trials, the claims must pass legal regulation, and we must publish the supporting data along with any potential precaution in a peer-review style document titled the Practitioner Dietary Supplement Reference Guide, or PDSRG, and make it available to everyone. So ask and you shall receive. In closing, there's no question that proper manufacture and use of dietary supplements can make a positive impact on reaching sport, health, or fitness goals. But improper or non-professional guidance can often yield little to no value and may also be unsafe long-term, and why much of the scientific community disagrees with commercial practices or consumer buying decisions. We are your qualified professional resource, so you can deliver professional guidance that can assure only the true benefits of dietary supplements as they relate to 1, improving health by supplying what the diet can't throughout life, and 2, safely enhancing sport and fitness outcomes when compared to a non-supplemented state. Under both these conditions, the end user has a much greater chance to grow strong throughout life. Because after all, it's not just about one's lifespan, it's also about your playspan, meaning how long you continue doing the things you love to do. And the goal is that your life and your playspan remain equal. To summarize, you have 2 assurances that dietary supplements will work as claimed. 1, peer-review quality documentation that the ingredients and amounts and dosing instructions are matched to clinical trials, your PDSRG. 2nd, third-party testing to make sure it's all in the product at the said effective dosage documented in the PDSRG. Using the dotFIT resource for all your family and clients' dietary supplement needs not only builds your brand, but also protects it. Because if we make it or recommend it, it works as claimed. That's proven, published, and signed off on. And that's something no one else can do for you.